Hello, here we are in Falconeyes Center of Production. Falconeyes is an industry that creates lighting products for photo and video use. Based in Hong Kong, it has 200 people working in production and also in research and development. Falconeyes has an experience of more than 25 years. Its products are fast, light and easy to customize. Because they are very easy to handle, you can work with small staff or even on your own. You can work outside, you can work in movement. Today, Falconeyes is working in collaboration with many brands around the world to help them develop and commercialize these technologies. In the future, Falconeyes would love to work with new partners and create more opportunities.